Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna for those of you that are new. So today I filmed this like super dramatic fall makeup tutorial makeup look. It really didn't go as planned. It came out better than I thought it was going to. I feel like it took me a while to film this. I was also filming a TikTok while filming this, so I was going back and forth. But yeah, the lighting's like not great either. It's not nice out at all, so bear with me in this video. But yeah, I used some new products that I absolutely love, and I will link everything down in the description below. So if you guys want to see this makeup look, then let's get started. And also make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and you want to see more of these, and follow me on Instagram. The link is always down in the description below. Also, I didn't do my hair, it's just natural today. I just did the makeup look. I was gonna like do a full get ready with me, but I got a little lazy and didn't want to do anything to my hair. So if you guys want to see this makeup look, then let's get started. Okay, so we are going in with the Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer, which I love this. Gives a gorgeous glow to the skin. Can't really see the glow yet, but I see it in person. I don't know why sometimes the camera doesn't pick up that stuff. Next, I'm going in with this Milk Makeup Cream Bronzer, which I absolutely am loving. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm filming a TikTok while filming this, so I keep going back and forth. But I showed you, I put the Rare Beauty Primer, and I also put on the Tula Rose and Glow for under the eye. I used this in a video before. I'll link everything down below, but I went in with the Milk Cream Bronzer. I just put it over there, a little on the nose, and let's just blend away with this Rare Beauty brush. Okay, so this is how we're looking blended out. I absolutely love that product. It's like the perfect bronze. You don't look orange at all. It's bronzy, and oh my god, it just gives such a nice tan. Love that. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with concealer after I do the eyes and just kind of, I don't know, I feel like I shouldn't have done that. Cream bronzer. I wanna do a nice fall look, and I feel like all my looks are bronzy, and it's probably gonna be bronzy, but we'll try and make it different. So I'm gonna go in more with like this shade. It's like an orange tone shade. This with this. Let's try and make it more fall vibes. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this darker brown, and we're just going to deepen up the look. Whoa. I was gonna say a little bit, but that just turned out to be a lot of it, but that's fine. I didn't want it like this dark, to be honest, at all. I wanted it like a more natural look. Let's see if I can save this and just blend it out. Okay, so it's looking a little bit better. Just deepen the outer corner. I kind of want to do like a eyeliner wing, but not with an eyeliner, with eyeshadow. But I also kind of want to do like a little sparkle on the lid. So we'll see where we go with this. So now I'm just going back in with that transition shade and blending it all together. So this is what we have so far. Very light and natural. That's the look I'm going for. We can actually deepen up the outer V just a little bit more. Just give it more dimension. I don't know if I want to go in with it like an eyeshadow wing, to be honest. I feel like sometimes it ruins the look, but I'm liking this so far. I said I wasn't going to do a bronze look, and here I am doing a bronze look. I'm over it. Not over it, because it's all I do. But I want to make it realistic. So what I am doing that's different is using definitely more of an orange shade for the transition. Okay, so next I'm going in with my favorite Bobbi Brown palette, eyeshadow palette. This is my favorite for like holidays and fall season, and just the best pigmentation in the shadows. So I'm gonna go in with this shade and a mix of that. First, let's do the darker, because I definitely want this to be like a darker fall eye look. Like, that is so pretty. This is the darker brown. That's cool. And then we'll go in with the lighter one as well. I was gonna make this like an all matte look, but I feel like I keep doing matte looks. I feel like I haven't really filmed a makeup look. Actually, the pumpkin spice. I feel like this is similar to the pumpkin spice. Oh my god. I think that's all I'm gonna do with the shimmer, because I was gonna keep this matte, but okay, I'm gonna take this matte shade and let's see if it does anything. If I like, oh, it's kind of just mattifying my look now. Okay, I'm totally changing up this look right now, I feel, but do I want a matte look? Ugh, I don't know. No, we'll go back in with that darker shade and just figure it out. I don't even know, guys. What am I doing? I don't even know. Yeah. Ooh, I like that. Probably gonna change my mind again. Just messing around with the colors and seeing what I even want. And we'll go back in with that lighter just to brighten it a little bit more. We're gonna blend it, obviously, with the transition shade. Sorry, I'm not looking into the camera, but I do like this. And you know what? It could be similar to what I did with the pumpkin spice, but we're gonna change it up with the eyeliner, and it's more orangey toned, I feel. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna do this. I like that. All right, I'm just taking my blending brush again and just slightly blending it, very slightly, because I don't want the shimmer to like fall everywhere. But yeah, I'm liking this. I feel like this is giving me a more darker tone vibe than the pumpkin spice. Let me know in the comments if you like the setup, because I got a new tripod and I feel like it's a different height. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the Makeup by Mario brown eyeliner, and I feel like I need to do this off camera, but I'm gonna put the eyeliner on like I normally do. Okay, I'm back, and the wing eyeliner just didn't happen. I didn't like it. So what I did is I just took a sharp edge. The darker shadow that I put in the outer V, I took that and just kind of blended it up and out just to give it like a wing eyeliner effect, but it's not eyeliner, you know? I'm not crazy about it right now, but it will all come together. I feel like I lost a little bit of the shimmer, so I might have to go in and add more of that. All right, guys, I feel like my eyes need a break right now. This is the best it's gonna get. It's just not my day, I feel. So we're gonna go in with the Rare Beauty concealer in the shade 210N. Yeah, wow, I can't believe I remember that. So we're just gonna put some over here, clean up that. Whoa, clean up that. And we're gonna blend with her Selena Gomez's Rare Beauty brush. We're going all out. All out. I never do this, but why not? All right, guys, we're just gonna blend this out. This is a great concealer. I love it. I put a little too much over here, and it just messed up. I feel like that line, it made it a little too high, but I'm not redoing it because I just can't. I literally can't anymore. It's actually kind of good. That's fine. We can do that. We can work with that. Okay, guys, so I blended that concealer out, and it's okay. I mean, the concealer is great. I'm just not crazy about this look. I really just want to wash my face and redo it, but I guess we're just gonna keep it. All right, guys, so I tried to fix it up. This is the best it's gonna get. We're having a rough day today. We are having a rough day, but we're gonna go in the lower lash line. Actually, We should definitely set our under eye. We're gonna set our under eye with the NARS translucent powder, and we're just gonna set all of that. We need to go in with our liquid blush, but I just wanted to do the concealer because I wanted to clean up the eyes and see if I needed to restart. So we're just gonna keep it like this, and then I'm actually gonna go in with the shimmer shade. We'll go in with this one, and we're just gonna highlight the inner tear duct because I need that to complete this. Do you guys see how it's not even as pigmented as when I use my finger? The difference is insane. There we go. Much better. So I'm going in with that same outer V brown shade, and we're just gonna go on the lower lash line. I didn't want the look this dramatic, to be honest. Do you guys know how much I've been contemplating just washing my face? You have no idea. This is what I get for trying to do something slightly different, even though I've done a look like this on my channel and it turned out way better than right now. And now I'm just going in with the transition shade and smoking out the lower lash line. Guys, the struggle has been real today. I just think this is a little too much for me, but you know what? This is gonna turn into a fall glam makeup tutorial. What do you guys think? Would you have washed your face by now? Because I'm about to. I really want to redo these eyes, but I spent so much time on them, I feel like I should just keep going. And the whole beauty of it is that we can fix it as we go. So now I'm gonna put that Makeup by Mario brown eyeliner in my waterline. Kind of brings it all together a little bit more smoky, dramatic. We're going for a dramatic look today. It's fine. You know what? It didn't work out for a reason. Okay, so this is how the eyes are looking. We need to do the face and come back to them. I feel like with mascara, it'll look better. And what I'm gonna do actually is just go in with a lighter shade. Just clean up under my brow a little bit, not too much. You know what bothers me? This is longer than my eyebrow. Like the wing should match where my eyebrow goes, and it's not even a wing, it's just the eyeshadow. But it's okay. It's a-okay. What do you guys think of this? Let me know in the comments down below. All right, guys, we are going in with the Jouer bronzer in Sun Kiss and Sunset, and we're just going to bronze a little bit more because you are never too bronze. And I kind of just put this all over my face. I know it's not the right thing to do, but that's what we're gonna do because I'm feeling a little bit pale. So I just need a nice bronze. Okay, so just lightly bronze, you know? Now we're gonna go in with the KKW brightening powder. If I can find it, here it is. We are going to put this under our eyes to just brighten even more because we did put that bronzer everywhere. I love this stuff, guys. This is literally the best brightening for under the eye. It's coming together, guys. It's looking better. Now we're gonna go in with the Rare Beauty blush, but in Joy. I recently picked up Joy. This is the dewy one. I have Bliss. I've used Bliss. Love that one. But I really want to try Joy, so I feel like it's a perfect fall color. We're going to put this on, and I'm just going to... This one a little goes a long way. So what I'm going to do is like 2 dots. We are just going to blend. Oh my god. Yeah, little really does go a long way. Okay, so I blended out the blush. A little really goes a long way with the dewy one. I need to learn how to use that with the light hand just because the Bliss, I feel like I needed to reapply. But I'm gonna go back in with that KKW brightening powder just to blend that into the blush a little bit more. And what I'm gonna do, I wish I had more blush. Oh yeah, put a little bit more blush on my nose. What are we thinking? I love this blush. Oh my God. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, now I'm just putting some liquid highlighter from Rare Beauty, her liquid illuminator. And don't worry about the blush. I added a little bit more. I know I'm crazy, but I'm going to fix it. Don't worry. So we're just putting this on our high points of our cheeks. Of course, we're gonna do tip of the nose, bridge of the nose, and lips. And then we need to blend this blush because we're looking crazy. So I'm just taking my damp beauty blender and we are blending. Blending today. Why I really added more blush is because in my TikTok you couldn't even see it, so I just put like the littlest small dot and look how much it added. It's insane, but we'll make it work. All right guys, so we're gonna go in with this Anastasia clear gel and just brush our brows. It's clear. I don't like to fill in my eyebrows. I just like to brush them. And I need to just set my face with the Rare Beauty setting mist because I just feel like it's going through it right now. Ugh, I feel like setting spray just melts everything together, you know? So this is how we're looking so far. Nothing that mascara can't fix, right? Or help, because that's gonna make this look, I promise. Okay, so I am curling my lashes because we need to put on some mascara, which I'm gonna do off camera, but we're not putting on fake lashes or anything. I love the Lancome Grandiose Extreme, and I'm gonna put this on and I'll be right back after curling my lashes and mascara. Okay, mascara done. Very dramatic. I feel like I have false lashes on because the mascara wasn't working out, but I showed you guys what I used, the Grandiose Extreme from Lancome, the best. I love that mascara. And for lips, we're gonna do Oak by MAC. Yeah, why not? And we're gonna overline our lips. And then we're gonna go in with the KKW Pink Shade 1 lipstick. And we're gonna put a gloss too. I mean, I don't think this really matches the look. We're gonna go in with the shade Nude in 1 also to just, yeah, make it more nude. Then we're gonna put a little bit more lip liner to add more contrast, and we'll put a gloss too. Okay, and then we're going in with the Laura Mercier Bare Baby lip gloss to give a gloss. To give more of a sheen look. Oh my God, I'm done. I am done, guys. Flip the hair. I'm not even gonna do my hair. I'm leaving it natural because I just don't feel like doing it. I really did absolutely nothing to my hair, and this is how we're gonna keep it. So what do we think? I'm not crazy about how the wing liner came about, even though it's not liner, it's eyeshadow. It's just super dramatic. I just feel like everything today did not go as planned, and this is the look I came up with. I don't know if I'm even gonna post it. I love the blush, love the bronzer. I feel like I can create a really pretty, like, everyday makeup natural look. So let me know if you guys want to see that, because I'd love to film that, but this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll link everything down below for you guys in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Leave in the comments what else you want to see, because I need ideas and I want to know what you guys want to see from me next. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.